Hi, my name is Tom Reinhardt. I'm proud to be the Chief Administrative Officer for the City of Portland and the Director of the Office of Management and Finance. Welcome to your new job with the city. You're entering a new and challenging period of your life. I certainly have, and I look forward to working with you in your new role. I'm going to talk a little bit about what we do here at OMF and also about what kind of context you're entering in as a city employee. What do we do? Sometimes I have a hard time explaining it to my friends and family, so I'm going to do my best to explain it to you. The Office of Management and Finance is broken up into the key internal service components for the city. We do human resources and all the training related to that. We run internal business services, which means fleet, printing, facilities management, things of that nature. We do all the technology services, and we also do all the revenue and financial work for the city, which means issuing bonds, managing treasury, and all the accounting services for the bureaus. You will be a key member, I'm sure, in any of the bureaus that you're in. Lastly, we also have projects and policy management, which is managed out of my office. What kind of situation are you entering into as a city employee? I think it's safe to say that this is going to be one of the most challenging periods in city government. We are growing rapidly as a city on the whole, and soon will be a top 20 population city in the United States. What does this mean for us as public employees? It means that many of the internal services and systems that we have put in place will be challenged and stressed as we figure out new ways to deliver day-to-day services. As the city grows, development grows, and people have higher expectations for what we do. I think you should embrace this as a challenge and opportunity, and I look forward to working with you on these issues as you settle into your job. So welcome to the city, and good luck in your new job.
Welcome to the City of Portland's Bureau of Human Resources. This presentation will give you an overview and introduce you to the different units within the Bureau. The Bureau of Human Resources supports all bureaus and City Council workforce needs. BHR assists city bureaus in the recruitment, development, and retention of a talented workforce which is representative of the community. BHR provides training and employee benefit programs. BHR also negotiates labor contracts, updates human resources policies, and manages the city's classification and compensation system. Next, we will review the BHR vision, values, goals, and mission.
We are valued strategic business partners who collaborate with bureaus to transform the City of Portland into a model public employer. We value participation with our customers and stakeholders to develop projects and solve problems. Diversity development is incorporated in all the work we do. We value our workforce and encourage full use of their diverse knowledge, experience, and talent. Accountability is important. We are each responsible for our own performance, contributing to the success of others and the organization as a whole. We practice good stewardship. We maintain the integrity of the human resources system consistent with and responsive to the city's interests, and we integrate creative strategies into work processes. We use imagination and innovation in solving problems, anticipating change, and capitalizing on opportunities. BHR identified major goals to turn our vision and values into action. The Bureau consistently evaluates organizational performance. We develop all BHR staff to increase levels of customer service with the goal of improving business relationships. BHR is committed to diversity and equitable outcomes. We retain and develop a diverse workforce to foster equitable outcomes. Building effective partnerships is critical to the success of our Bureau. We build interactive relationships between teams to support and elevate the goals, strategies, and interests of BHR as a whole. Collaboratively, BHR works with other bureaus to identify business needs and strategically align services to support bureau success. Finally, BHR provides strong leadership. We believe in developing leadership at all levels in our bureau, resulting in a team that is trusted and models values of creativity, accountability, and involvement.
BHR's mission is knowledgeable, helpful, and responsive. We call this KHR, and it's how we do business. The next few slides describe what that means to us. Knowledgeable means that we know our programs, services, resources, rules, and regulations, and the customer's expectations. Helpful means that we anticipate our customers' needs, practice active listening skills, and explain options thoroughly. Responsive means that we always respond promptly, communicate clearly, clarify expectations, and work towards mutually agreeable resolutions to issues and problems. We take ownership of our work and are accountable for the quality and results.
Providing exceptional customer service is a top priority for BHR. To create a strong culture of customer service, we respond to messages and deliver services in a timely manner. We interact thoughtfully and diplomatically, using the most effective communication method for each situation. We use the BHR problem-solving model to establish common interests when resolving issues. Individually, we know our subject matter and communicate expectations to customers. If we don't have an answer, we research and follow up. As a team, we work together to provide exceptional services to our customers. BHR is one of 5 bureaus within the Office of Management and Finance. Together, OMF bureaus provide support and deliver a variety of services to bureaus citywide. The Bureau of Human Resources is composed of 8 program areas, including strategic support, benefits, wellness, and deferred comp, classification and compensation, diversity, outreach, and employment resources, HR and payroll services, labor relations, training and workforce development, HR site teams, and police HR site team services. Next, we'll review the programs and work that each unit within BHR is responsible for.
The Strategic HR Leadership Team is headed by the Director of Human Resources. This team provides HR leadership and strategic planning. They are responsible for updates to HR administrative rules and provide budgeting and financial management. Additionally, this group coordinates citywide programs and oversees the Civil Service Board. The Benefits and Wellness Team manages and administers the city's employee benefit programs and plans, which include medical, life, and long-term disability insurance. They also manage dependent care and medical expense reimbursement and the Employee Assistance Program, also called the EAP.
Classification and Compensation develops and manages the city's classification and compensation plans and systems. They solve issues on reclassification requests, determine compensation changes, and provide consultation to city bureaus and other agencies on classification and compensation issues.
Employment and Outreach operates programs and provides services to support equal employment opportunity and the development of a diverse workforce. They manage the city's Employment Center and NeoGov, the city's job posting and application system. They also manage the recruitment process, administer testing, and maintain the city's affirmative action plan. The HR and Payroll Services team within BHR manages the city's central human resources and information and payroll systems. It is responsible for managing SAP, HCM, personnel, time, and payroll programs to ensure that city business requirements are met efficiently and employees are correctly paid.
Labor-Employee Relations negotiates collective bargaining agreements with labor unions. The Labor Relations team provides advice, counsel, and training to bureau managers and supervisors on a range of labor and employment-related issues and challenges. They administer and support a wide range of compliance programs, including the city's unemployment insurance claim, Civil Service Board, and targeted severance programs. Training and Workforce Development develops and implements training programs to deliver learning and development opportunities in support of the city's goal of fostering a knowledgeable and diverse workforce. TWD also manages the citywide learning administration and tracking system and partners with other learning institutions and entities to provide development opportunities for the city's workforce. The Human Resources Site Team and Police HR Site Team are assigned to city bureaus to provide assistance and services to employees and managers' supervisors. They offer support by ensuring all bureau directors, managers, supervisors, and the entire city workforce have ready access to BHR professionals. They coordinate a consistent citywide approach to the application of rules, policies, and best practices.
During your first week, your manager or supervisor will cover important topics with you, including tour of work area and workspace, location of equipment and supplies, introduction to coworkers, office hours and holiday calendar, your work schedule, your position responsibilities, time and attendance reporting, staff and department meetings, important contact numbers, and name badge procedure. You will also review the terms of city employment and your role as a city employee. Your supervisor will cover HR administrative rules, OMF policies, BHR policies, city vehicle and travel policies, and media press rules. They will also discuss performance evaluations and training opportunities.
The information presented today can be found on the Bureau of Human Resources webpage, www.portlandoregon.gov/BHR, under the BHR Employees tab. Click on New Employee Quick Links for BHR new hire materials and resources. Your supervisor and colleagues are also available to answer any questions. Welcome to the Bureau of Human Resources. We wish you a successful career with the City of Portland.